Hello, I'm Mikulas. I live in Czech Republic. I'm 13 years old and I code in Python. I've heard about this event from one of my friends who lives in Cambodia. And I love coding because I can create various games and interesting Discord bots, and I feel good when I write code and it just works.
I am Mahirat. I am currently studying in International School of Class 10. I have interest in technology. I have learned coding and participated in this contest. Thanks for organizing this contest.
Hi, my name is Aarav. I am a student of class 9th. I came across the By Wizard School Contest 2.0, and since I was already using GeeksforGeeks for doubt clearing, I thought it would be a great way to test my knowledge. I would like to thank GeeksforGeeks for giving me such a great opportunity to complete my peers, and I look forward to the various challenges GeeksforGeeks will be providing in the future.